Namaste, welcome to Savis Fashion Studio. I'm Savita. In this class and in the upcoming few classes, we'll see some of the attachments or presser feet for industrial single needle lock stitch machine. This is one of them. This is referred to as a guide and folder attachment. Now this part here is attached to the sewing machine here using a screw. Now the screw does not come with the attachment. You need to buy this separately, but when you buy this attachment on our website, we'll send it along with the screw. So it is attached in this way. Tighten the screw. Before that, there are other parts. When you press this, you can lift this part. This part here moves and the fabric will be under this plate here. For thicker or more layers of fabric, you need to turn the screw clockwise so that this raises up, and for thinner or lighter fabrics, turn the screw anti-clockwise so that the lever goes down. Now this part also can be adjusted by turning the screw. I'll show this why it's used. First we'll fix this attachment. Now place it in this way and tighten with the screw. Use a screwdriver to completely tighten this. Now you will move this and adjust this guide to wherever you want the fabric edge to be. For example, I'll keep it here, that is ½ inch away from the needle, and then tighten the screw. When this attachment is not in use, you can just push it aside and do your regular sewing. Now when you're making a single garment or very few garments, it may not make sense to use these attachments because changing this or using this may take more time, and you may be able to do with your regular presser feet itself. But if you're into a small scale manufacturing of garments, then it makes sense to use these attachments as it makes the work faster and neater. Now one place where this attachment is useful is when you're sewing with or such fabrics where the edges roll. You can see here the edges are rolling. In such fabrics, this kind of holds the edges and makes it easy to sew. So let me show it. So as you see here, this plate kind of holds the edges flat and it makes it easy to sew. And also this works as a guide for the edge of the fabric. One more use is when you want to stitch in a certain distance, you can adjust this guide. For example, I'll loosen the screw. And align the edge to the guide here to get a ½ inch stitch from this stitch. So if you see here, the distance between the two stitches are even throughout. That's made easy because of this attachment. So in the next part of this video, we'll see how to use this yet another useful attachment. This is used to make cord piping. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.